The Drinks Live stage today, there's so much planned, loads of great exhibitions and events, including David's this morning.
Nice to meet you, amigo. Good
Hello.
morning.
Good morning. So what have you got in store for us today?
Yeah, we are going to make an amazing masterclass to try to explain how do you make the most amazing cocktails. Really easy, 3 steps.
Yeah?
You have to work with the best ingredients, the best quality spirits. Take care about the glassware and beautiful aromas, best ingredients. Easy.
Can I try this?
It, please?
Is it suitable for breakfast?
It's a perfect gin and tonic with divine gin. Amazing, beautiful.
It is amazing, beautiful. Just quickly, have you had a chance to have a look around the exhibition yourself?
Yeah, I want to show everything. This is a beautiful place with amazing brands, etc. So that's an unbelievable event.
It's just a good event, isn't it? Lots of people here, lots of colleagues, lots of new friends
Exactly.
to make. And
This is the most important part.
I feel like we've made a friendship
Maybe.
for life. All right. Come down, Drinks Live stage, there all day. David's going to be there from 11 o'clock.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.